Shivaya Purusha Prakriti Kankalika Om Shivaya Om Mani Padme Hum
Kankalika Om Shivaya.
This is infected by a certain type of mosquito. It comes in the group of mosquitoes. In Nepal there were many. Now I see it's decreasing, but still if you go to the remote villages, I'm sure there are much more. Because about 25 years back, we did get many cases, and we are treating them with homeopathic and Ayurvedic medicine. 50 years. She was under allopathic treatment. Now also, once in a while government sends the medicine, she goes for that one, but it has not helped her. And then now, I'm starting the medicine for her from today.
Om Shivaya
Om Mani Padme Hum
Kankalika
Om Shivaya Purusha Prakriti.
This is a case that I have started to work with the alternative therapy, homeopathic and Ayurvedic. I'm sure I will be able to cure this one within a month, or if it is extended because it's a long due one, might take about 3 months, but she will be over with this illness.
Om Shivaya Om Mani Padme Hum Kankalika Om Shivaya Purusha Prakriti Kankalika Om Shivaya Om Mani Padme Hum Kankalika
Om Shivaya
Purusha Prakriti Kankalika Om Shivaya Om Mani Padme Hum Kankalika Om Shivaya Purusha Prakriti Kankalika Om Shivaya.
If every side of the society would help, I'm sure bringing the cleanliness, bringing the health and hygienic way of life, and doing the treatment with the alternative therapy, if this is promoted, yes, definitely there is a cure and people can have a normal life.
Om Mani Padme Hum Kankalika.
We give them homeopathic medicine to cut the disease as well as to cure it. Simultaneously, we use 2 to 3 medicines for that. In Ayurveda, we use certain herbs, we make a paste of that one and apply on the body, and there is another intake of medicine also.
Om Shivaya Purusha Prakriti Kankalika Om Shivaya Om Mani Padme Hum